name is Rudi, and this is my motorhome which I imported from the UK and shipped it to Australia because we had it over there and we couldn't go because of COVID, so I've got it here now to explore Australia. And the only drawback, of course, was that the vehicle coming from England, it didn't have any air conditioning. Now I'll show you what I've done. I contacted my generator to get some advice, and what I ended up with purchasing for my generator a Dometic Harrier air conditioner. The reason I choose my generator was it was the best price, and the delivery was fast, and I'm very happy with the whole thing. Thank you very much.